Yeah, buy condo. Yeah, it's on. I don't know why. Yeah, I think it's clean again, mate. Yeah, it's clean as you go. That's just how it works. So basically, I'll do self-checkout. Like, I'll just put this key into the mailbox of that apartment, and it's done. All you need to do is just communicate to the owner of the apartment, and everything will be okay. You know this place? This place is open 24 hours because this area is offices of the call center. There is Teleport for months, there is Sykes, and so many other company. There is McDonald's there is Subway, there is 7-Eleven, Teleport for months office, there is Wendy's, there is Jollibee, there is KFC, there is McDonald's, everything, mate. Yeah, I'm thinking of taking a taxi because Grab is the same price, maybe more expensive. Yeah, according to the staff of the Cebu Pacific, that 7 o'clock is the opening of the gate. I mean of the checking in. So I still have like 4 hours, mate. Yeah, this is the like a commercial area. What is that? Common area. There are shops and no grocery. Shop and restaurant here. And this is actually connected to the Resort World Manila. I mean group of hotels on the other side. Yeah, I still have time. Now we are getting out of the airport, and they call this place a runway Manila. Basically a bridge that connects to the hotels and resorts on the other side in there. Oh nice, it looks good. Here you see the multi-level parking, you see some airplanes, you see cars, you see flyovers, a lot of flyovers here, even on the other side. Looks nice. Looks like you are not in the Philippines, Mike. Yeah, you can see there are so many people down there. Wow, busy airport. I like it when it's busy. It means more business. So I get out here expecting that there is like a shopping mall, but nothing, Mike. There are just hotels, big hotels like Marriott, etc. And yeah, there are some restaurants, no shopping mall. And now I'm going back to the airport, and we'll be waiting. Still have 7 hours. So I reached the back of the church, and I was looking for the shopping mall. There is nothing. And then there is one kid. He is selling flour, a sampaguita, and he is asking money also. I asked him, where's the shopping mall, or is there a shopping mall? He said no, nothing. There are just hotels and shops and restaurants. Looking at this airport, this Ninoy Aquino International Airport, it feels like, or it looks like a very classic airport. With its design and its colors, it is classic. Marriott Manila has an outlet here, a restaurant outlet. KFC, this makes me hungry. Wow, imagine that soy sauce with chili and calamansi or lemon. That tastes delicious. Did you know that Cebu Pacific is the biggest airline company here in the Philippines? Yeah. But the flag carrier is still the Philippine Airlines. Philippine Airlines is the first airline in the Asia. Yeah, I'm actually waiting for my food, Filipino food, and I got this. This is a fried rice, an egg. This is a fish. Yeah. And this is sausage. No, it's longanisa and tapa. And this is like a papaya. You know, the papaya, the raw one, the green papaya. I am going to do some editing here. Yeah, I will show you this. If you smoke and if you keep on smoking, this is possibly going to happen to you. Look at that: mouth cancer, emphysema, gangrene, neck cancer, a lot of things, bad things, not good for you and for your children. That is where I had my coffee. I eat well. This looks good in person, but in the camera, not really good. Wow. So basically, I am now here inside the airport, just waiting for the boarding time. Yeah, 10 o'clock. I will be eating this and will be editing some video. Already a lot of people get inside there, but still a lot more in here. This looks like everyone is not fit inside. Good morning guys, we are back in Sydney and we are going to do the classic, and we are going to walk to the Wolay Creek station to save at least $15. Fine. To the fire, to the limit, to the one, just to be with you, together we see it all. But yeah, I am here now in the bridge that will go to the Wolay Creek station. Yeah, it's cold, mate. Yeah, you know, so this trip is very cheap. I mean, it's affordable. $750 two-way. Yeah, because you know, like what I've said, I always checking online for the cheap flight around Australia or maybe international. I'm always checking that, and yeah, I found this China Air going to the Philippines, and then coming back here to Sydney is Cebu Pacific Air. And you know, the Cebu Pacific Air is again delayed, mate. Delayed. Yeah, the flight should be, I mean the departure should be at 11:25, but the airplane depart at around 12:25 or 12:30. And then when we arrive here, the pilot is explaining that we arrive earlier than expected. Yeah, but that's true, because you know, we stay in the runway for a long time because we are waiting for the airplane on the gate to leave. Yeah, actually, if you are arriving in Sydney, the procedure is still the same. You still need to go to the immigration officer, and yeah, they will check your passport. But if you are departing from Sydney, no need. You just need to scan your passport in the machine and you are good to go. There is one small accident happened here. Yeah, those cars, they are now fixing it. Yeah, I'm still walking, mate. I am now here in the Cahill Park. Coming from the airport, you need to go to the bridge and then you will reach this Cahill Park. You will see this oval playground and this little river. You know, the go signal of the traffic light here is just 7 seconds. In the Philippines, 30 seconds, man. And we now reached the Wolay Creek station, that one, but we're not going there yet. We're going to have our lunch first in that restaurant, but they don't accept card, just cash. That's why I went to the ATM machine and take some money.